Dear friends, now we are going to discuss on directive principles of state policy. This topic is more important in the field of Indian polity. Okay, so what is the importance of these directive principles of state policy? According to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he clearly says that directive principles of state policy and the fundamental rights is the philosophy and soul of our Indian constitution. So according to him, these fundamental rights and DPSP is philosophy and soul for of our Indian constitution. Then one more, the American historian called Granville Askin, according to him, he described this DPSP or directive principles of state policy as the consciousness of the constitution. So consciousness means like a moral sense of the constitution. This directive principles of state policy, it is described in the in our Indian Constitution, Part 4, Article number 36 to 51. Mainly deals with directive principles of state policy. Basically, this content or this the principles we have taken from the Irish Constitution. That Irish Constitution they have borrowed from the Spain Constitution. So why this directive principles of state policy was created, or what is the main objective of this directive principles of state policy? Main objective is to create moral, social and economic circumstance under which the citizens can lead a good life. Second thing is to establish social and economic democracy through a welfare state. So what is the main features of these directive principles of state policy? It was resembling or reflecting the more features from the Government of India Act of 1935. If the second important feature is this directive principles of state policy is non-justiciable in nature basically. So we can't claim or we can go for any legal procedure to those who are violating those violating these the directive principles of state policy. This is a basic guideline for the state government or central government. So government like a central or state cannot be compelled to implement the directive principles of state policy. So we have the several principles or several guidelines it was given towards to the central or state government to give better welfare of the state, better what you call the welfare government. Okay, so this is the guideline. Okay, the directive principles of state policy is the guideline to the central government or state government or what you call the entire what you call the government of India. Okay, so this is a basic guideline. We can claim legal aspect toward these those who are not violent, those who are not following whether the state government or central government. If they are not following these directive principles state policy means we can claim or we can legally protest against this following or if they are not following, or if they are following means it's well and good. If they are not following means we can claim legally. So generally, so what is the what is the meaning of these directive principles of state policy? So basically, from article number 36 to 51, it's mainly deals mainly connected with these directive principles of state policy. Based on the nature, it was classified into three major categories: Gandhian principles, socialist principles, liberal and intellectual principles. So the Gandhian principles includes article number 40, 43, 43B, 46, 47 and 48. It's mainly deals are mainly connected with the Gandhian ideology. Therefore, it was classified under these Gandhian principles. Regarding with the socialist aspect, article number 38, 39, 39A 41, 42, 43A and 47 mainly deals about the socialist principles. Therefore, it was classified under these categories. So regarding with this article number 44, 45, 48, 48A, 49, 50 and 51, it is mainly connected with the liberal and intellectual principles. Therefore, it is coming under the category of liberal and intellectual principles of the state policy. So based on the Gandhian ideology, so article number 40, 43, 43B, 47 and 46 and 47 and 48, it is so it is classified based on the Gandhian ideology. Why it was framed to fulfill the dreams of Gandhi and his ideology, or it was included for in the Directive Principles of State Policy. So you look at the first one, the article number 40 is stating about to organize village panchayats as unit of self-government. Second thing is to promote cottage industries in rural area. Article number 43 is mainly indicate that. Article number 43B is indicating about to promote cooperative societies. This article, principles are this article is included after the 97th Constitution Amendment Act of 2011. Then article number 46, it is giving information about to promote the educational and economic interest of SCs and STs and other weaker section of the society. Article number 47 deals about to prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs which are injurious to health. Article number 48 deals about to prohibit the slaughter of cow to improve their breeds. Article number 38. So these 38, 39, 39A, 41, 42, 43, 43A and 47 mainly deals on the socialist aspect of socialist ideology. Therefore, it is coming under the category of socialist principles. Article number 38, it is mainly deals about to promote the welfare of the people to minimize inequalities. It was ordered 44th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1978. Article number 39, it is including to secure equal pay for equal work for men and women, then giving to secure opportunity for healthy development of children. Then article number 39A includes to promote equal justice and to provide free legal aid to the poor people. This article was ordered after the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. Article number 41, it is giving information about to secure the right to work, to education and to public assistance in case of unemployment, old age, sickness and disablement. Article number 42 deals with the provision for human condition of work and maternity relief. Article number 43, it is giving information to secure your living wages, including education, health, insurance, etc. for all the workers. Article number 43A deals about the participation of workers in the management of industries. Then article number 47, it is connected with to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living of people and to improve public health. Regarding with these liberal and intellectual principles, article number 44, 45, 48, 48A, 49, 50 and 51 mainly deals about liberalism or liberal and intellectual thoughts. So this represents the ideology of liberalism. Article 44, it is deals on to secure for all the citizens, have uniform civil code throughout the country. Article number 45 emphasize on early childhood care and provide primary education for all the children until they complete the age of 6 years. It was changed by 86th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2002 as 6 to 14. Article number 48 to organize agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific land. Article number 48A, it is about to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forest and wildlife. Article number 49, it is about to protect monuments, places and objects of historic interest which are declared to be of a national importance. Article number 50, to separate the judiciary from the executive in the public service of the state. Article number 51, to promote international peace, security, and maintaining honorable or friendly relation between nations. So for further reading, you can follow these study materials or these important references. M. Lakshmikant's works on Indian polity, governance in India and public administration. Then G. Venkatesan's public administration. Then V. N. Khanna's Constitution and Government of India. Regarding with this DPSP, we are having more important articles. Article number 37, definition about state. Article number 36, definition of state. 37, application of the principles. 38, article number 38 mainly deals about welfare of the state. 38, equal judges for free legal aid. Article number 40, organization of village panchayat. Article number 42, maternity leave. Article number 44, uniform civil code for all. Article number 45, education to children below the age of 6 years. Article number 46, promotion of educational and economic interests of SCs and STs and other weaker section. Article number 50, separation of judiciary from executive. Article number 51, promotion of international peace and security. So article number 36 and 37, it's mainly described about the term of state and the definition of how these the principles connected with this the state. Okay, thank you.